Recently, someone asked a question, and I want to get as many answers as I can on video to help people who have the same question. And the question was, do I send 1099s to my consignment clients each year, whenever tax time? You are supposed to send 1099s out before January 31st. The question is, you have consignment clients. Let's say you have a lot of consignment clients, or let's say you have one that's really good, and you pay that person $14,000 over a year's time. When January rolls around, do you send that person a 1099, that consignment client? What do you put on it? How do you do it? What is the process? The process is, no, that person is not a contract laborer. That person is nothing. What you are doing when you pay that consignment client $14,000 over a year's time, what you are doing is buying inventory from that client. You literally are purchasing his or her inventory. That's the way it looks on the books. That's accurate. Now, we don't think about that, okay? We don't think about it because we don't really purchase inventory. I mean, it's like you give me free inventory, and if it sells, I'll give you some money, right? We're not saying you give me a bunch of boxes of inventory that I'm going to pay for, and then I'm going to sell them. No, that's buying inventory is what you're doing whenever you do consignment. If someone gives you inventory on consignment, then as you sell it, you are paying your consignment person, consignee, I don't know, you're paying that person, your consignment client, you're paying that person for the inventory that you sold. Now, they need to be reporting it somehow. I don't know, and I don't care. But it's not up to you to send a 1099. As a matter of fact, if you did, I think you would really mess up things, mess up your taxes. You'd certainly mess up your consignment clients. I mean, they're not going to like the result of that. And the IRS is going to come to them for taxes that they on income that they earned, and it's not income. They sold something to you. They literally, you're thinking, no, they sold it to my buyer. No, they didn't. You're the one that pays your consignment client. You buy inventory after it sells. That's what consignment is all about. That's literally what happens. That $14,000 is literally your cost of goods sold, and that's where it belongs. That's where it goes. Ask your accountant. Don't listen to me, but probably that your accountant's going to agree with me. That's where it goes. It's just a cost of goods. And so do not send any consignment client a 1099. It really will not be good.